So hello, my team. Welcome to this week's training. So before we get into it, I just want to remind you that I am not going to be doing a live training next week as it is Thanksgiving weekend, but I will pick it up and finish off the attraction marketing series the following Friday on December 2nd. Now, if you want to check out any of the past trainings that I've already done in the series, the replays are available on the event page here. And if you are watching this on YouTube, then you will find the links in the description box below. So far, we have gone through the first 3 steps, which is all about planning and implementing your marketing tasks. Now, what do you do when a customer or a lead makes contact? That is where a follow-up system is going to come in handy, and I recommend having a follow-up system already ready to go. Marketing is going to get the customer and lead to the door. Your follow-up system is going to get them through the door. As you see here on the screen, it shows that it takes an average 7 times of contact before the average customer will place an order or a lead will join your team. Now remember, this is an average, which means there may be some who will be less, and then there may be some who will be more. I know this from firsthand experience. I've actually had customers who've been receiving my email updates for over 2 years and have just recently placed an order with me. Now there are 7 tips to implement into your follow-up system. Knowing your targeted audience is going to be key. First off, this is going to help you ensure you are not wasting time or energy with those who you know will not be interested in what you have to offer. Secondly, this is going to help you keep the focus on them. The best way to get someone to walk through that door is by being the one who is providing a solution to a problem they are concerned about. And you knowing the customers and leads that you are attracting to your business is going to be able to help you know what solutions they are looking for. Which now leads me to those who you know won't buy or join your team. Don't be afraid to ask for referrals. Though your marketing may not reach to them specifically, they may know someone who does. I mean, think about it. When you come across a commercial for a product that you know your best friend would love, you would let them know about that product, right? Now, I've talked about this previously, and it's important to believe in your business and what you are offering. Let's just face it. Are you more likely to purchase a product that you see the person excited about and actually uses? Would you have become a representative if the person who's asking you to join their team is complaining about all the hardships of having an Avon business? Now, I'm not saying you need to love all of the products Avon offers, and I'm definitely not saying that running any business is easy. But there has to be at least one product that you love. Your Avon must be doing something for you. When I first started my Avon business, the only product I was actually familiar with was the Avon Senses shower gels. Since then, I've of course found many more that I love. But you can look at my reviews and you will see that I don't love everything that I have tried from Avon. And my customers know that they can come to me and know I'm going to provide informed recommendations. Now, as for my Avon business, the first few years was hard, but I stuck with it because it provided an outlet for me for my creativity, and it gave me a space to enjoy my passion for all things beauty. Now I'm making money, and I'm being able to do something that I love and provide for my family at the same time. And when following up, you want to make sure you are using different methods to ensure you're reaching them where they are. Just like when I talked about second week about when determining where to market, you have to continue that variety into your follow-up system. And just so you know, you can use what you use in your marketing in your follow-up, like your blog posts, your videos, your flyers. Don't be afraid to repurpose materials that you already have. The whole point of following up is to get them to place an order or to join your team. So having a call to action is going to provide an easy way for them to go from where you're following up to where you want them to be. For example, when you send an email, having a button or a link for them to easily click to wherever you're talking about is going to increase likelihood of them following through. If they have to go and search where you want them to purchase the product or to join your team, they're less likely to actually go through the process. Now, just like with everything else we talked about, tracking is going to help you know what's working and what's not working. We will go over tracking in more depth in our next training on December 2nd. Now, you may be feeling overwhelmed. Obviously, each lead will be coming into contact with your business at different times and will be at different points of the sales cycle. And as we've established continually in this series, consistency is key to success, and that includes with following up. It is one of the biggest mistakes many representatives make in their business is not following up with their customers and their leads. Now, the most useful tools to help keep me consistent and make sure nothing falls through the cracks is utilizing automation tools. So here's a list of some automated tools that you can use to follow up in your business. So first off, remember, Avon is automatically sending their own follow-up when customers check the notification box in their customer profile, allowing emails to be sent to them. So make sure to let customers to know that they don't want to miss out on any updates, and let them know that that's how you're going to be able to send them coupon codes. When they do sign up for a customer profile, they will provide their email and they will check off allowing promotional emails. As we've talked a lot about the last 2 weeks, use a task app or a reminder app so you're staying on top of the tasks that you do on a regular basis. For example, weekdays, I send thank you emails to each customer who places an order online. Each campaign, I have to submit my order to Campaign Mailer to mail out my brochures at a designated time. And of course, adding new subscribers to my email list that have signed up to my online store or who have personally reached out to me. These are things that I have to do on a regular basis. Leads me to my email marketing. Utilizing automated email marketing tools like MailChimp, or what I've actually recently started using is MailerLite. And this is going to help you continue to follow up with your customers and leads automatically. And what you are doing by creating your own personalized email updates with your customers and your leads is you're able to create emails that are going to be related to them. As we have continually saying, by knowing who your targeted audience is, you're going to know what they're going to be looking for in their email marketing. So here is actually how I use automated emails. As the quote says, this is a great way to provide personal value on a big scale. As you can see with my welcome series for my customers, I immediately start with a welcome email where I introduce myself and let them know what they are going to expect by being a part of my personal email list. At this time, I also make sure to provide an easy way if they, for some reason, want to unsubscribe. So that way they understand what they signed up for, and if they decide that it's not for them, then they can easily unsubscribe. It basically weeds out those who are not interested. You want to make sure that your email marketing and your follow-up, that you're doing the marketing and the follow-up that's going to be reaching and actually be of value to those that it's reaching to. By them unsubscribing, they're making the choice that it's not for them, which is perfectly fine. After they get the welcome email, as I continue, a few days later, they're going to automatically receive an email that goes over the benefits that they can enjoy shopping Avon with me. So things I include in that email is like the automatic benefits that they will receive and enjoy just by shopping with a representative that Avon already offers. On top of that, I also let them know the personal programs and savings offers that I personally offer in my Avon business. Things like I let them know about how I offer Facebook parties and I offer online fundraising. I have a rewards program that they can be a part of, things like that. And this is info for customers who shop online or representative delivery. I do both, so I make sure to provide information for both, because make sure all of my customers are aware of what they are providing and the benefits they can enjoy. Some days later, they will then receive an email that highlights a specific product or theme based on whatever that season is. So for example, right now, customers are receiving in this email information and tips on holiday shopping. I actually have a YouTube video of basically a slideshow, and it's like a holiday gift guide slideshow. And along with that, I provide a link to my blog where on that blog, I have all the information that they would need to know about holiday shopping with Avon and with me. And that will include, like, I had the Avon 12 days of deals up down there. I have my information about my holiday giveaway. I have, and when Black Friday starts on Sunday, I will be having that in the blog as well. So the customers are able to go to that blog, and they're going to be able to see everything that they need to know about holiday shopping with Avon and with me. So like I said, I'm using my marketing material that I've already have out there. And it's marketing material that I've already created. I already am using in my marketing strategies, but I'm repurposing it within my emails follow-up to provide value and information to my customers. Last email of the welcome series that my customers enjoy is connecting. It's about connecting with them. Now, this is more specifically in regards to like things like social media. But I also do provide links to my blog, my YouTube channel, and my email. So that way, they have all the information they need to know about how they can connect with me. Now, for my leadership part of my business, I have an email series for my leads. As you guys know, on my team, I also have a series to welcome new representatives that join my team. And then, of course, I do send birthday and anniversary emails automatic to create a personal touch. Now, if you would like me to go into more detail about the lead follow-up I have and the welcome emails that I have, do let me know in the comments. I'd be more than happy to do another training just focusing on the follow-up for leads or the follow-up for new representatives. Now, the next thing that you can use in the automation tools is text messaging marketing and follow-up. So I personally have not utilized this tool, but I do know that there are tools out there, and also I do know that Avon offers this as well. Now, if any of you actually do use a text messaging system, like a follow-up system, I would actually really appreciate if you could let me know in the comments. As I said, I personally don't have any recommendations, but if you know of any, I would greatly appreciate it so that way we can help each other out. Next is using a brochure mailing list. Now, I know for me, this was actually the first automated system that I started. I personally struggled in getting a brochure to my customers every campaign the first couple of years of my business. Like, even to my local customers, I struggled to get brochures to them every campaign. So if you are struggling and being consistent with brochure delivery, I highly recommend looking into brochure mailing. I personally use Campaign Mailer. Now, I do want to make sure, a lot of these tools that I previously mentioned, you can actually get away with using these tools for free, especially if you are just starting out. But the brochure mailing, this is going to be, this will cost you money. And also, I do want to let you know that you are limited in space and basically how you can personalize the brochure that you're mailing by using a brochure mailing system. For me, the pros outweigh the cons dramatically. As I said, ever since I started using Campaign Mailer, which has been since, I want to say, 2017, maybe 18. I know it was like 2 or 3 years into me starting my business, I started using Campaign Mailer. For me, what I see as the brochure delivery mailing system is that it is an investment for me, because I noticed that customers were submitting more orders, because we all know that customers, most likely most customers, are not going to be placing an order every campaign. And this just saved so much time for me and energy for me as well. Being a busy mom, and at that time when I first started it, I was also, I had a newborn. So like I said, you just got to weigh the pros and cons to figure out if it is worth it to you. And as I said, I see it as an investment. And just a little FYI, this is a tax write-off. Just like if you purchase the brochures through Avon, this would still count as a marketing, I believe it's under advertisement is what the tax write-off would be. Now, lastly, though it's not really a follow-up tool in sense, I do want to mention scheduling tools for your social media and blogs. I just want to mention it because we are talking about automation tools, and just a little tidbit about helping you with time and everything. Scheduling your social media and blog posts and YouTube videos, these are time savers. For me, I market my business on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Now, I would not be able to do my social media marketing the way I do without my social media scheduling tools. This also provides me to be able to track what's getting the most views and engagement all in one place. This in turn is going to show you what's getting people to your email list and my online store. That is it for today. And as always, if you do have any questions or would like to go over anything in more depth, do feel free to comment or contact me. We can always do a one-on-one. If you are watching this on YouTube and found this video helpful, please hit that like button and make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Just another reminder, just reminding you guys again, I will not be hosting training next week, but we will be back Friday, December 2nd to finish up the series with going over how to review your tracking, your goals, and making adjustments as needed. And then I will be starting, I already have a couple of other topics that I'm going to just go over to finish off the year before Christmas and New Year's. Oh, and if you are watching this on YouTube, the next replay, the next training will be the Tuesday after the 2nd, which is December 6th will be the next upload, just so you are aware. So that is it, and thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. Until next time, bye.